Hello, my name is Kevin Caputo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stop symbol to an opportunity page to warn the users to take some type of action. The example I will do in this particular video will be adding a rich text component with a stop symbol such as this right here to the opportunity page, and I will filter it when the close date is less than today, that it'll get triggered and it'll show up. So the benefit of doing this, it basically improves data integrity and extends the standard Salesforce data validation by giving the users head-up information before a validation rule gets triggered. There's 4 steps to do this, and the first step here is to get the stop symbol that you need. And what I've been using is a tool called Canva.com to get a stop and yield symbol. So let me show you that first of all. So I did get the stop symbol before I got this, and I've stored it on my computer right there. But if I show you in Canva, I just did a search for a stop symbol, found something like that, and then saved it. So that was the first step, is to get the symbol. The next thing I did, and this is an optional step, is I created a formula called close date error, and it's a formula field, I should say, called close date error. And basically what I did here is I made it well, let me just show you instead of trying to explain it here. So if I come to the opportunity object and I go under fields and relationships, you can see I've created a field called close date error. And basically the formula field that I'm doing here is I'm basically setting if the close date is less today and the closed is equal to false, in other words, this is an open opportunity, then I'm going to make it true, the value of the formula true. However, if the close date is greater than today and the closed is equal to true, that means that it's a closed opportunity. Then the close date being before today, or sorry, after today, and being true, and being an closed opportunity, then I also want it to be true. Otherwise, I want the formula to return false. So I've created my formula field called close date error. Now, basically what I want to do now is go into the opportunity page and add a rich text component. And I'm going to filter it on that close date error field being equal to true. And I'm going to test it. So let me go through that step now. So if I come over here to my home page and I select this opportunity right here, you can see the close date is less than today's date. So what I want to do is I want to put a warning message here. So to do that, I just click on the setup sprocket and I click on edit page. And then I look in the components section for rich text. So scroll down to I see rich. There it is. And I drag it all the way over here. And then over here, I start typing in the message that I want, close date less than today, update the close date, making it a day in the future. And then I want to input that symbol. So I come over here, I copy that symbol, and I come back over here and paste it. And there's the what it looks like on the screen. Now what I need to do is add a filter here. And I want to filter on that close date error field equals to true. And say done. And that's all I have to do. Click on save. And back. Now we'll just test it. So because, as I said, the close date on this opportunity is March 31st, and today is April the 14th. So I should get this error message right here. So let's look at another example. So if I go back to the home page, let's wait for it to refresh. Let me just take this one right here. Actually, let's take this one right here. So the close date is the 17th and today's the 14th. So this is, I shouldn't get the error message right there. Here's another example of a warning message that I created where the close date is due to close in the next 7 days. So I'm basically saying because the close date is less than 7 days from today, then I want to give this warning right there. I hope this helps, and if you need some help or have some questions, feel free to contact myself, Kevin Caputo, or Mita Patel. She's my partner. Our email addresses are right here, and our phone numbers are right here. Thanks again for your time.